Hi students, I am Advocate Arjun Grover. Hope you all are doing good. So students, आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे डिफ़िकल्टी लेवल ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस दैट आर आस्क्ड इन PU लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम. So today we'll be covering जो 2019 के PU 5 ईयर लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम में जो कि BA BCom LLB ऑनर्स 2019 का एग्ज़ाम था, उसके क्वेश्चंस जो पूछे गए थे उसमें उसका लेवल क्या था, ताकि आपको एक अच्छा आइडिया मिल जाए कि क्वेश्चंस कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स को कवर करते हैं और क्या इनका डिफ़िकल्टी लेवल रहता है, ताकि आप अपना जो तैयारी कर रहे हैं आप इसकी, उसका आपको वे पता लग जाए कि हमारी तैयारी किस तरफ रहनी चाहिए और कितनी रहनी चाहिए. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. आपको पता ही है कि 90 मिनट्स का टाइम मिलेगा इसमें और नंबर ऑफ़ क्वेश्चंस 100 होते हैं और मैक्सिमम मार्क्स भी इसमें 100 ही होते हैं. तो आइए शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चंस. इसमें मैं आपको सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस बताऊंगा क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली इनके आंसर्स जानना हमारे लिए ज़रूरी नहीं है, क्योंकि ये रिपीट तो होने नहीं वाले. सो आज का हमारा जो वीडियो रहेगा सिर्फ डिफ़िकल्टी लेवल और किस फील्ड से, किस सब्जेक्ट से पूछे जाते हैं, वो आपको एक आइडिया देना है मैंने. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. विच हाई कोर्ट हैज़ डिक्लेयर्ड एंटायर एनिमल kingdom including birds and aquatic animals as a legal entity having rights of a living person? Which one of the following was given the classical language status recently? The book God Save the Supreme Court has been authored by, बुक्स एंड ऑथर्स भी है और करंट अफेयर भी है. The first country to print book was, who received the first Bharat Ratna? 1024 petabytes is equal to 1. Waterjet printer allows each page to be reprinted dozen of times. It was developed by. Who won the most versatile actress award under Dada Saheb Phalke Film Foundation Awards 2018? Which one of the following links all the ATMs in India? Who was the founder of Lodi dynasty? Third battle of Panipat was fought in the year. What is the capital of Dadar and Nagar Haveli? NASA Curiosity rover was in March 2015 announced to have found evidence of which gas on the surface of Mars? The first woman chairman of UPSC was. Which is known as the mini Switzerland? Which day is observed as the National Hindi Day? Which year was declared as International Year of Sustainable Tourism for Development by the United Nations? Who is known as the Grand Old Man of India? Who has been appointed as the first Lokpal of India by Selection Committee? Who got Dhyan Chand Award 2017 for athletics? Which one of the following types of glass can cut off ultraviolet rays? What is the botanical name of almond? Vitamin B2 is also known as. Which one among the following 5-year plans of Indian economy diversified the planning, shifting focus from heavy and basic industries to new sunrise industries like telecommunication, computers and electronics? So कौन सा 5-year plan था जिसने जो बेसिक इंडस्ट्रीज से शिफ्ट करके ये टेलीकम्युनिकेशन, कंप्यूटर एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, थोड़ा एडवांसमेंट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी की तरफ लेके गया था. By which amendment to the Constitution of India was GST introduced? Who is the chairman of National Green Tribunal? Global agreement in specific control strategies to reduce the release of ozone depleting substances was adopted by. Acid rain is caused by pollution of environment by. India's fastest and first multi-petaflop supercomputer is named as. Who won gold medal in women's double trap shooting event in Commonwealth Games 2018? Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana PMVVY is for the people who are of age dash and above. Who is Prime Minister of Italy? Who gave the dissenting opinion in triple talaq case? The weight of body is. The government of India has established Niti Aayog to replace the. Which planet was named after the Roman god of war? By which theory does the population increases geometrically? The currents that flow beneath the surface are called. The Siachen Glacier is located in. Who is the father of Green Revolution in world? Which of the following states do not have legislative council? A closed economy is an economy in which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Indian Oil opens India's first electric vehicle charging station in. Green Oscar is also known as. The highest civilian award of India is. The most reactive non-metal is. Right to Information Act 2005 came into force on. Which one of the following countries has recently formally notified its intention to withdraw from the International Criminal Court? Momentum of an object is measured as the product of. Who was the Viceroy of India when the Rowlatt Act was passed? The Indian Institute of Science is situated at. Southernmost point of peninsular India, that is Kanyakumari, is. India's first ever National Police Museum will be established in which city? Supreme Court ordered the Election Commission to increase the VVPAT slips from dash to dash. Recently, Kazakhstan renames its capital Astana as. Who is awarded as PETA Indian Person of the Year award in 2018? The first ever female firefighter to be appointed by the Airports Authority of India is. The Supreme Court of India constituted dash bench in December 2014. Who was the founder of Swatantra Party? DAVP stands for. FTWZ stands for. And VVPAT stands for. The phrase come out swinging means. Now English has started. What is the antonym of van? What is antonym of unclothed? What is synonym of disdain? What is the synonym of benign? Quid pro quo means communication of offer is complete when. Tuhar under the Muslim law means marriages of all persons who are citizens of India belonging to various religions should be made compulsorily registrable. This was held in case of, I repeat it again, marriages of all persons who are citizens of India belonging to various religions should be made compulsorily registrable. This was held in the case of Ajay, with an intention of murdering Rahul, instigates Vijay, a child below 7 years, to do an act which causes Rahul's death. Vijay, in absence of Ajay, in consequence of abatement, does the act and thereby causes Rahul's death. In this case, what will happen? The theory of social solidarity was propounded by Dash, and theory of social engineering was propounded by tort is a redressable by an action for who coined the term international law. Article 123 of the Constitution of India deals with preamble is not a part of Indian Constitution. This was held in which case? Right to life does include right to die. This was held in which case? The idea of concurrent list in Constitution of India has been borrowed from which country? Complete the series 2, 3, 6, 15, 45, what will come next? Next, GM is equal to 9, KT is equal to 0, PS is equal to 3, DI is equal to, and CP is equal to. So this is basically an alphabet series question and number series question. So in reasoning you should do number series and alphabet series. The next one is 6 students A, B, C, D, E and F participated in a test of maths and science. Total marks of A in maths was just above C and in science just above F. B was just above C in science, but he scored less than D in maths. F got more marks than D and E in science but didn't perform as well in maths as D. No one is in between C and D in math and C and A in science. So it is a puzzle type question, and it will be followed by some questions like who got the highest marks in science, which one of the, very easy and very interesting, which one of the following students has scored the least in science, how many such letters are there in the word creative which have as many letters between them in the word as in the alphabet. Now what they mean to say, the next question is that, like creative word, CREATIVE, how many such letters are in the word which have as many letters between them in the word as in the alphabet? So this means that, like if C D E, like after C D comes and then E comes in creative, so they want to say that 26 letters are there from A to Z in English words. So the similar In the similar way, you have to search in this word creative the same difference which A and C has. Like A, after A, B comes and then C comes. So after C, forget it is R. Think as if it is D. So C, after that D, and then E. TUV, like this. Next question. This is a very easy questions of reasoning, logical reasoning. Pankaj faces towards east. Turning to his right, he walks. This is direction sense test. Very easy and very interesting. You really enjoy it. Turning to his right, he walks 50 meter, and then turning to his left, he walks 50 meter. After this, he turns to his right and again walks 50 meter. Again he turns to his right and walks 100 meter. Finally he turns to his right and walks 100 meter. Now, in what direction is he from starting point? Very easy. So this is a relationship test. The next question. Pointing to a photograph, a lady tells Abhinav, I am the only daughter of this lady and her son is your maternal uncle. How is the speaker related to Abhinav's father? Always in these questions, like this relationship test, you should always start from the end to beginning. If the second half of the alphabet series is written in the reverse order, which will be the fifth letter to the right of 10th letter from your right? Alphabet series. Question. One writes all numbers from 50 to 99 without the digits 4 and 9. How many numbers have been written? Circle is to dash as sphere is to cube. So you have to find out the relationship. Which kind of relationship? The relationship like sphere has with cube. The similar relationship you have to find for circle. This is reasoning analogy. Then calendar, logical reasoning. May 6th, 1993 was Thursday. What day of the week was on May 6th, 1992? Coding, decoding. If carpet is coded as TCEAPR, then how the word national would be coded? Identify the odd one out. Next, identify the odd one out again. That is number odd one out, and this is words odd one out. Next question, 95th. English is related to Atlantic Ocean. England is related to Atlantic Ocean in the same way as Greenland is related to. This is the simple interest maths question. It comes very rarely in PU entrance, the quantitative aptitude. Very rarely. So we got it in the last year exam. A man got rupees 200 less as simple interest when he invested rupees 2500 for 5 years as compared to investing rupees 3000 for same duration. What is the rate of interest? The greatest number of 4 digits which is divisible by each one of the numbers 12, 18, 21 and 28 is simple. A bus can finish a certain journey in 10 hours at a speed of 48 km per hour. In order to cover the same distance in 8 hours, the speed of bus must be increased by. So this is speed, distance, time question. Now the ratio question, and after that it is a profit and loss or a percentage question, you can say. If the ratio of A and B is 9 times the ratio of B to A, then A oblique B could be easy. What price should a shopkeeper mark on an article costing him rupees 153 to gain 20% after allowing a discount of 15%? It is also very easy. So students, ये लेवल और इन सब्जेक्ट्स और फील्ड्स में से क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. सो नो नीड टू वरी, आप लोगों का एंट्रेंस बहुत अच्छा होगा. आप बस डट के तैयारी कीजिए. थैंक यू.